Hello, Antu. Hello. Good evening. It's nice to see you again. Can you hear teacher? Mm. Hello? Okay, let's wait for Antu. Hello? Hello, good evening. Hello, Antu. Can you hear teacher? Hello? Okay, teacher will wait for you, okay, before we start our lesson.
Số phần lớn này.
Hello. Wow, Antu. Can you hear teacher? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, Antu. Hello. Good evening. It's nice to see you again. How are you today? How are you today?
Bạn hôm nay
Yeah.
thế nào?
Are you okay today? Are you
Rồi.
happy? Happy. Wow, that's very good. And it's nice to see you again. I haven't seen you for a long time. And how was your vacation,
Kỳ
Antu?
nghỉ của bạn thế nào?
Did you enjoy? Did you
Yeah.
enjoy your vacation?
Bạn có
Yeah.
thích
Yeah.
kỳ nghỉ của mình không?
Wow, that's good to know that you enjoyed your vacation. And now, are you ready for our lesson for today? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so before we start our lesson, so let's have a review of what we have learned or what are the animals that we had learned last time. So let's take a look at this first animal. Do you still remember what animal is this?
Đây là con
Yeah.
vật gì?
What animal is this?
What?
It's it's
It
a
was
it's a horse. Let's say it's a
horse.
very good. One more time. Let's say it in a sentence. It's
Is horse.
a, a horse.
A
Wow, very good.
horse. Horse. Horse.
Horse. Wow, good job. How about this one? What animal is this? Do you still remember what animal?
What animal is this? Đây là con vật gì?
What animal? It's a. What animal is this? It, we call
Is
it as. It's a cow.
cow.
Okay, one more time, Antu. What animal is this? It's
The
a
cow.
a
Cow.
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 Oh, very good. How about this one? What animal is this? It's a
Oh.
it's a
Uh,
sheep.
sit. Sitter.
Very good. One more time. Let's say it's A
Seat.
sheep. Wow, perfect. Very good. How about this one? Do you know what animal is this? This tiny animal. What animal is this? Arf. It's a
Huh?
it, arf arf. It's a dog.
Oh,
Okay, one more time. What animal is this? It's
uh,
a okay, very good. It's a dog. How about this one? What animal is this? Meow, 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 meow.
macaque.
Very good. Wow, it's a
Dog.
cat. Cat. Okay, very good. A
Cat. Cat.
cat. Very good. Okay, let's go with this animal again. So, answer this one is a goat. Okay, this one is the sheep. Okay,
Sheep.
one more. Yes, sheep. This one, goat.
Coal.
It's a
Coal.
goat. Very good. It's a goat. How about this one? What animals are these? What animals? Quack, 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 quack. What animals are those?
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack. What animal? It's a duck.
Quack.
It's a duck.
Dog.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say it's
Dog.
a it's
Eat.
a
Eat.
duck.
Eat. A dog.
Wow, very good. How about this one? This one. Ding, ching. What animals are these? Buck, 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 buck. What animals are those? It's a
Quack, 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 quack.
it's a chicken.
Eat a chicken.
Okay, very good. How about our last animal here? What animal is this? Oink, 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 oink. It's
Oink,
a
oink.
very good.
It's
It's a
a
pig.
pond. Ping, ping.
Pig, pig. Yes, very good. One more time. It's a
Eat a ping.
pig. Very good. Wow, good job. So these are all the animals that we had learned last time. Now let's play a game about these animals.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Okay.
E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, so this game is called as Old MacDonald. So we will listen to the sound of the animal and we will guess what animal is inside this stable, this one, okay? So let's first listen to our first animal. Okay, let me just play the sound.
Wolf.
Okay. What animal is that? Is that a goat, a cow, a duck? What animal? Let's listen one more time. It's moo. What animal? Moo. What animal is that?
Đó là con vật gì vậy?
Is it a goat? Yes
Ew.
or no?
Ew.
Very good. Wow. One more time. Let's say cow. It's
Cow.
it's a cow.
Cow.
Okay,
Cow.
very good. So what animal is this? It's a cow. Okay, so this is what cow sounds like. Moo. Okay. Yes. So that is our first animal. So let's go with our next animal. Let's listen. Meh. Okay. What animal is that?
Nó là con vật gì vậy?
Is it a sheep, a goat, or a duck? What animal? Is it a sheep and two? Yes or no?
Người khuyết tật thì được trả 1 triệu gì?
Is it a sheep?
Mật khẩu đi bữa tôi biết mật khẩu chứ.
Meh.
Mm.
What animal is that? Is that a sheep?
No.
Yes. No. How about a goat? Is that?
No.
It's not a goat. Are you sure? How about, is that a duck?
No.
No. What is your answer? Sheep, goat, or
No.
duck?
No.
No, you don't know?
No.
No. Okay, so this is the sound of a
No.
goat.
No. No. No.
Yes. Oh
No.
no, it's
No.
not a
No.
goat. It's
Sheep.
a sheep. Okay, again,
Sheep.
Ansu. What?
Sheep.
Very.
No. No. No.
What
No.
anim?
Sheep.
What animal is this? It's a
Dog.
sheep.
Sheep.
Okay, so this is what sheep sounds like.
Sheep.
Okay, this is a sheep. Okay. Meh. Okay, so that is what sheep sounds like. Okay, next, let's listen to the sound of another animal. Okay, can you guess what animal is that? Is it a goat?
No. No.
Is it a donkey?
No.
Is it a horse?
No.
No? Are you sure?
No.
It's
No. 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 No.
what's
No.
what's
No. 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 No.
what's your answer? No, your answer is only no? Okay, so let's listen again to the sound of the animal. Okay. So you don't know what animal is that?
Oh no.
No. So it
Horse.
is a horse. So this is what horse sounds like. Okay, so again, what animal is this, Antu? It's a what animal?
No.
It's
No.
a
Ngựa. Ngựa.
it's a horse. One more time, let's say it's.
Horse.
Okay, let's say it's a
It's a ngựa.
horse. Okay, let's say it's a horse. Okay, let's listen again to the sound. What animal is this? It's a horse. Let's say it's a horse. It's a
It's a
horse.
horse.
Okay, very good. So good job. So that is what horse sounds like. So next, okay, let's listen to another animal. Okay.
Goat.
Is it a rooster, a duck or a hen?
A duck.
A duck? Okay, let's check your answer. Oh no, it's not a duck. What animal is this? It's a rooster or hen.
Head.
Okay, let's. Oh no, it's not the hen. So it is.
Rooster.
What
A
animal is this?
Peter.
It's a
Peter.
rooster. One more time. Let's say rooster.
Jooter.
R rooster.
John. Jooter.
Rooster. R. Rooster. Okay, so this is what, yes, so this is what rooster sounds like. So when we say rooster, rooster is a male chicken or a boy. Okay, so hen is a female chicken or a girl. So this is a rooster. Okay, so next. Okay, let's listen to another animal. Okay, so what animal is that, Anju? Is it duck, pig, or hen? What animal is that? It's
Oh
uh,
no.
oink 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 oink. What
Oh
animal
no.
is that? It's pa pa. Starts with letter P.
No,
It's
6, 7.
no 6, 7. Why are you counting? So this animal is it a duck, a pig, or a hen? What animal is oink 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 oink? It's a it's a pig. Okay, so this is a
Pig.
pig. Okay, this is what very good. This is what pig sounds like. Okay, so that's what pig sounds like. Okay, so what animal is this again? And two, it's a
It's a bing.
very good. It's a pig. So good job. So next, let's listen to another animal. Okay, so we heard quack, 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 quack. What animal is that? Is it a duck, a turkey, or a hen?
Head.
Are you sure? Okay, let's check if it's a hen. Oh no, it's not. It's not a hen. What animal does sounds like quack 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 quack
Quack,
quack?
quack,
It's a the starts with letter D.
quack, quack,
Duck,
quack, quack,
quack.
quack, quack, quack,
Okay, very
quack,
good. Quack quack. Okay, so this
quack,
is
quack,
what
quack,
animal?
quack, quack.
Duck or turkey?
I just keep quack, quack.
You only know the sound. Okay, so for this one, this is what a duck
Duck.
sounds like. This is a duck. Okay, so that is what a duck sounds like. So again, Ansu, what animal is this?
He. Quack, quack,
It's a it's
quack, quack,
a
quack,
duck.
quack. It's a
Quack
quack,
quack. It's a quack quack, yes. But the name of the animal is duck.
quack, quack.
Quack quack. Okay, so next. Okay, let's listen to another animal. Okay, what animal what animal is that, Ansu? Is that a hen?
Quack, quack, quack.
N- No. How about a rabbit. Is that a rabbit?
Quack, 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 quack.
We are done with the duck. We are in this. What animal is this? Is it a goat? Is it a goat? Yes or no?
Duck.
Okay, so this animal is
Goat.
a goat. So this is what goat sounds like. Okay, one more time. And two. What animal what animal is this? It's a it's a goat. Uh, okay, one more time. Let's say it's a
It's a
goat.
cook.
Okay, very good. So goat. So this is a goat. So that is what a goat sounds like. So next, let's go with this animal. Let's listen to another animal. Okay. Okay, what animal is that, Ansu? Is it a hen, a chick, or a rooster? A hen? Yes or no?
Meow, meow,
Meow? Is it meow? No. So
meow,
what animal does sounds like meow? What animal is that, Anju? It's a
meow,
what
meow.
animal is that? What animal is that? It's a cat.
It's a cat. Meow,
Okay, very good. Wow, good job. Next, how about this one? How
meow.
about this one? Is it meow? It's not meow. What animal is this? It's a
Hen.
it's a hen. Okay. One more time. Let's take a look at this picture, Anju. It's a hen.
Dead.
Hen. Okay. What animal is this?
A cat.
It's
A
a
monkey. A dog. A hamster.
hamster. Okay, this one, what animal is this? The color white animal. It's a hen.
Hen.
Okay, one more time. Let's say it in a complete sentence. It's a hen. Hen, hen, hen. Okay, so when we say hen, it is a female chicken. Okay, so that is a hen. So next. Oh, okay, so we are already finished with this lesson. So good job, Ansu. So now let's go with our next lesson. So let me just open a lesson number 2. Just one moment. Let me just open lesson number 2 here. Okay. Okay, so this is lesson number 2. Okay. So we will talk about, for lesson number 2, we will talk about,
Get ready for starters.
okay. So we will talk about, let's say, home.
Home.
Okay, very good. So home. So when we say home, it is where we live. Like this in the picture. Okay, look at this picture. This one. What is this, Anju? What is this? It's a
Đây là cái gì?
what is it? It's a
Meow.
house. Let's say it in English. Let's say house.
Meow. Meow.
Okay, house. Ha ha house.
Ha ha. How?
Okay, very good. So house or home is where we live. Okay. So like you, Antu, you are in your house right now.
What
Okay, okay, Antu.
there
What
is Easter because the
what
12 Easter kiss
okay,
Christmas
Antu. What color is the house?
Ngôi nhà màu gì?
What color is the
yellow.
yellow? Very good. It's color yellow. What
Nắng bị
color?
sao
Nhà
xị
bạn màu
giá
gì?
trị
What
màu
color is your house?
Nhà bạn màu gì?
What color is
khuôn
your house, Antu?
Ừm,
What color is your house? Is your house color pink?
no
What color? It is color. What color? Color white? What
Nhà
no
bạn
color?
màu gì?
It is color. What color?
nó có màu gì
What color in English? Is it color white, black, brown, yellow, or blue?
no
No. What color is your house?
Nhà bạn màu gì?
Is it also yellow?
no
No. What color? You don't know the color of your house? Okay, so let's move on to our lesson. So in this lesson, so we will have listening and speaking. Oh, actually, we are in our unit 1, lesson 2. Let me just change. Let me just change this one. Okay. So we have actually for lesson 2, we have reading and writing. Okay. Now let's go with this one. Ching, ching, can you see? Can you see? Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So let's practice your reading and writing, Ando. Let's go with this one.
mà sửa học tôi không muốn học được
Okay, so let's go with
no
this one, Ando. So you will just answer yes or no. Okay?
no 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 no
Okay, let's check first before you answer no. What?
ba Liên xăm xăm cao xăm
Okay,
xăm
so
cao
let's take a look at this
ngay được
Antu.
là đang học mà
What animal is this? Okay, so for this one and two, so we will do this activity in our next class, okay? So make sure that you will review this lesson so that in our next lesson, you will be able to answer instead of saying no, 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 okay? Okay, so see you again. So see you again soon, Antu. Goodbye.
goodbye
Let
teacher
Goodbye. Let me go to Dangkwa now. Okay, so review this lesson, okay? So teacher will have a question for this lesson. Okay, so let's go with Dangkwa. Hmm, Dangkwa, are you there? I know, still no.
hello teacher học xong chưa
Hello, good
hello
good
teacher
evening. Hello, good evening, Dangkwa. It's nice to see you again.
hello
How are you
teacher
today? Can you hear me? Can you hear teacher?
bóng tiếng vì gì đấy
Can you hear teacher? No. Hello? Dangkwa?
Teacher, first is the
Huh? What did you say? Can you hear teacher? No? No, no. Hello? Hello, hello. Are you there? Can you hear teacher?
Các em có nghe thấy cô giáo nói không?
yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. So very good. So, how are you today, Dangwa? Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
Wow. Wow, that's good to know. And it's nice to see you again because I think you had your vacation last time. So, how was your vacation, Dangwa, with your
Kỳ
parents?
nghỉ của bạn thế nào?
Is it
I'm
fun?
happy.
Is it fun?
Yes,
Yes. Did you have fun?
yes. Now I'm friends.
Wow, that's very good to know. And are you ready for today's lesson?
Mm, apple.
Yes. Are you ready?
Apples.
Yes. Okay. So for this lesson, yes, very good. So this one is apple. So this is the plural form of apple. So apples is if we have two or more apples. How about ball? What is the plural form of ball?
Balls.
Very good. It's balls. How about frog?
Frogs.
Okay, frogs. How about plate?
Bullets.
Plates. Perfect. And how about book? What is the plural? What is the plural form of book?
Rồi. Books.
Books. Very good. Books. And what is the plural form of chick?
Có xong tin là đưa cho tớ. Chick. Chicks.
Chicks. Okay, very good. So we will add S. How about tree?
Trees.
Trees. Okay, very good. So I it's very good that you remembered um how we will change a word into its plural form. So we will add s or es. So depending on what the word is. Okay? So very good, Tangwa. So next, let's go to our next page. Okay, let's take a look at this letter. Do you know what letter is this, Tangwa?
F. F.
F. Letter F. Very good. It's letter F. Is it big or small?
Big. Big.
Big. Okay, perfect. It's big letter. How about this one? What letter is this?
Letter F.
Letter F also. And is it big or small f?
Small F.
Very good. It's small f. So good job. So that is our letter. So letter F and big and small F. Okay. So for this one, what is this, Dangkwang?
Frog.
Frog. Very good. Okay, very good. This is a frog. Okay. So can you give examples of words that starts with letter F, Tangkwa?
Bạn có thể cho ví dụ về những từ bắt đầu bằng chữ F không?
Do you know any words that starts with letter F? How about
Frog.
this? What frog? Aside from frog, how about this? What do we call this?
Face.
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 Very good. So that face, that is one word of face. How about when we say what other word? Hmm, let me just think. How about your parents, your sister? What do you call them? What do you call your parents or your sister?
No.
Starts with letter F.
So they get the smaller, smaller.
Uh, uh, what 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 do you call is the letter? What do you call your parents and your sister?
Bạn gọi bố mẹ và chị gái mình bằng tên gì?
What do you call? Starts with letter
Phương,
F.
Phương,
It's this
Phương,
one.
Phương,
Fa,
Phương,
Fami, Fami.
family, Phương,
Huh? What are these then? It's family.
family,
Yes, okay. So we call our parents or our sister, brothers, family. So when we say family, so it is what we or who we are with since we since we are alive, okay? So that is family. So it is includes with parents, mother, father, sister, and brother. Okay. How about other F words? Um, Let me just get this one. This. Mm, what is this? Starts with letter
uh,
F.
uh,
What what do we call this one? Letter F. Fa, F. Fla. What is this? Oh, you don't know
flower,
this one?
flower,
Yes, very good. It's flower. So good job. So that are letter or F. So we have letter F. Okay, so very good.
Đừng.
So, so next, okay, let's answer this words. So we will just add the missing letter, which is letter F. So let's go with this first picture. What is this word?
Five,
Okay,
five,
very good. This is fire. One more time. Let's say fire.
fire,
Okay, very good. Next one. What is this?
face,
Face. How about this one?
fans,
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say farm.
farm,
Okay. How about this one? What is this?
fork,
Okay, perfect. This is fork. So it is what we use when we eat. Okay, so very good. So that is our phonic letter F or sounds like fa, fire. Okay, let's read these words again, Dankwa. Can you read these words?
five,
Fire.
face, fan, fork,
Okay, one more time. Can you read this one?
fly,
Okay, let's say fire.
fire.
Okay, very good. So that is the word. So good job. Wow, good job for finishing this lesson number. What lesson number is this one? This is lesson number 9. Okay. So now let's move on to our lesson 10. Okay, so this will be our new lesson for today. So good job in completing lesson 9. So now, let's take a look at this uh, picture or this story. What is our lesson for today?
They walk it.
Okay, very good. It's all about drop it. Okay, one more time. Let's say drop.
It rocks.
Okay,
Drop.
perfect. Drop it. Okay,
In a
so that is what our lesson will be about today. So let's take a look at this picture. Can you describe what can you see in the picture? What can you see?
Grandmother draws
Very,
draws is a dog.
very good. So there is grandmother. How about this one? What is this?
Dogs.
Dog. Very good. So let's take a look at grandmother. Is grandmother happy, sad, or angry?
Is grandmother is a
Grandmother
happy.
is?
Not
Is
happy.
she
Not
happy?
happy. Not happy.
Yes, so grandmother is not happy because as you can see, the dog is holding the
Hold.
cloth. That is why grandmother is not happy. So now let's learn more about why grandmother is not happy with the dog. So let's go with, okay, let's check this warm up if we can.
As soon as he leaves his
Okay, so let's watch this a video, short video about our lesson for today. So, can you tell teacher if you can see, if you can already see? Can you see the video?
Yes.
as soon as he leaves his hand, you go crazy, Calgary. Touchdown! Fantastic stunning power presented by Mayfair Diagnostics. What a show, Frisbee Rob and Sailor. Oh my
Okay, one more time. Let's play it again.
God. As soon as he leaves his hand, you go crazy, Calgary.
Oh no, it's loading.
Fantastic stunning power presented by Mayfair Diagnostics. What a show, Frisbee Rob and Sailor. Oh my
Okay, so that is for our warm-up video. So now, Tangkwa, can you tell teacher what did you see? What did you see in the video? I saw. What did you see?
Dog is a drug. Drug is a dog.
Very good. So you saw a dog running. So the dog is like playing with the ball or like in the player with the player. So very good. So that is a dog. So we will talk about a dog, a story about a dog and grandmother for this lesson. So let's go first with these words. So let's take a look at this first picture. Do you know what is this, Dangkwa? What is this?
Girl.
Very good. Okay, one more time. Let's say doll.
Dog.
Okay, perfect. So this is a doll. How about our next picture? What is this?
Hamburger.
It's a
Hamburger.
hamburger. Very good. Very good. Or we can call it as a
Hamburger.
burger.
Hamburger.
Okay, burger.
Burger.
Yes, only burger because a hamburger is consists of with a ham. But this one it is only a burger. So next, what is this?
Here. Key.
Very good. It's a
Key.
key. How about this one? What is this?
So.
It's a Is it a shoes?
Shoes.
No, it's not a shoes. It's a what is this?
The lip.
Sleeper. Very good. It's a sleeper. So next. How about this one? What happened? What happened in these?
Fish.
What happened? What happened to the things in the picture? They
Right.
are drop. Okay, one more time. Let's say drop.
Drop.
Okay, so as we can see in the picture, so the things are or got dropped. Okay, so when we
Yes.
say drop, so a thing gets dropped like that. Okay, so next, how about this one? What do we call that thing?
Is
It's we use it to write. We use it to write things. Starts
right.
with letter P.
Right.
What is this? It's
Pass.
okay. One more time. Let's say paper.
Paper.
Okay, very good. Again, what is this, Dangkwa? It's
Paper.
a
Paper.
paper. Very good. It's a paper. So next. Okay, so can you read this one, Dangkwa?
Draws to sleeper goose.
Okay, very good. So as we can see, so the name of the dog, what is the name of the dog in the story, Dangkwa?
Goose. Goose.
Goose, very good. So the name of the dog is Goose. And what is Goose holding? What is
Uh,
Goose hold?
the dog name is Goose.
What is the dog? What is Goose holding?
Sleeper. The rock
Very good. Goose is
goose
holding.
holding a sleeper.
Okay, very good. So now let's have some questions here. Okay. Okay, again. So what is the name or what is the dog's name, Dangkwa?
The dog's name is Goose.
Very good. Dog's name is Goose. So next, where is the dog?
Goose,
Where do you
Goose is holding a sleeper.
Okay, very good. Goose is holding Sleeper. But where is Goose? Where is the dog?
Con chó đâu rồi?
Where is the dog? Is the
Dog,
dog
dog is a bedroom.
very good? The dog or Goose is in the bedroom. So very good. So why do you know? Why do you know that Goose is in the bedroom?
Dog to canal is the grandmother.
Very good. Okay, one more time.
Tại sao bạn biết?
Why do you know that Goose is in the bedroom? What can you see in the picture? Why do you say that Goose is in the bedroom?
So speak,
Because
so speak.
because
Dog, because there is is dog is sit down and grandmother is big.
okay, so very
Grand
good.
grandmother
Because
grandmother draws to sleep.
yes, very good. So because as we can see, so there is in the picture there is a bed. So probably this is grandmother's bed. So we can say that Goose is in the bedroom because there is a bed. Okay, so when we say bed, it is where we sleep. Okay, so very good, Tangwa. So next, okay, so now, what is the dog holding again? What is the dog holding?
Dog
Go-
goose is the holding a sleep.
Okay, very good. So Goose is holding a sleeper. Good job. Now, A teacher has another question. So, Danko, what color is the sleeper? What color?
Green.
It's
Green.
it's it's color.
Green.
Okay, let's try to.
Its colors green.
Okay, very good. So it's color green. So good job. So next, can you read again this one?
Drop the keys. Goose.
Okay, very good. So now, let's have this question. So what is Goose holding in the picture? Oh, you can write now. Wow. You can now write. You can now use the right. Okay. So now, Dangpo, what is Goose holding?
Uh,
Goose.
goose holding the key.
Very good. Who Goose is holding the keys. So next. Okay. So next, teacher has another question for this. So how many keys? How many keys are there? How many?
Three.
Are you
Three keys.
sure it's three?
No.
Are you?
Four.
No,
Four.
we have another four.
Four.
Very good. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So very good. So there are
Four
four
keys.
four keys. Okay, perfect. Next. Okay, so can you read this one?
Drop the burger. Goose.
Okay, very good. So now, teacher has a question for you. So where did Goose take the burger from? Where did Goose take the burger from?
Gus lấy chiếc bánh mì kẹp thịt đó từ đâu vậy?
Where?
The burger is kitchen.
Yes, where did he get the burger?
Burger.
Goose?
Goose take
Where?
the burger is
From?
from
What is this? From? From the what? What do we call this?
the
This is
one
a
the
say.
they
Starts with letter T. Tay.
the bag
Table. Okay, one more
table
time. Let's say table.
table.
Okay, very good. So Goose. Okay, one more time. Can you answer the question? Where did Goose take the burger from?
The burger from the table.
Okay, very good. So Goose take the burger from the table. Next. Okay, so what might Goose do after getting the burger? What might he do after getting the burger?
Sau khi ăn xong chiếc bánh burger, anh ta có thể làm gì?
The Dr. Burger is sleepy bedroom.
Goose will sleep in the bedroom. Okay, how about this one? What is he doing in this picture?
Burger is burger.
He will,
Eat
he will. Very
is
good. So he will eat the burger. Okay, so next question. So do you think the grandma will be angry when she see that, and why?
Bạn nghĩ bà sẽ tức giận khi nhìn thấy điều đó không? Tại sao?
no.
I know
No.
she will not get angry when she saw Goose.
Dogs
Yes or
eat
no?
dogs eat burger dog eat burger and grandmother dog is not hungry.
Grandmother is not hungry. And how about when grandmother goes to the room, in this room where Goose is, where or where Goose is. So if grandmother saw Goose, will she be happy? Will grandmother be happy, sad, or angry?
Hungry.
Yes. So what is the answer to this question? It's yes.
Yes, grandmother will be angry
Okay. Why will grandma be angry? Because
because is eat burger
Goose ate the burger.
Goose eat the burger.
It and the burger is not for the burger is not for Goose. So it's not for the dog. So it is for the people. That's as you can see. So the burger is supposedly on the table. Okay, so it is supposedly will be eaten by grandmother or grandmother's family. But Goose take the burger from the table. Okay, so grandmother will get angry. Okay, so next. Okay, read this one. Drop.
Goose the is
Okay,
to
well,
have
this this
Goose
one. Can you read
the
first?
the
Drop.
roast the has goose.
Okay, very good. So drop the hat, Goose. Okay, so now Dankwa, where is Goose? Where is Goose? Is Goose inside or outside the
Gus đâu
house?
rồi?
Goose
Goose is
kitchen room.
is in 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 the room. Very good. Or inside in the
In the house.
okay, very good. So in the house. So next, why do you know that Goose is in the house? Why do you know?
Sao bạn biết?
Because
Goose is the goose and has is the door.
yes, why do you know that Goose is in the house?
It's because it can see holding
Because
the house.
yes, you can see Goose holding the hat. Okay, so for this one, Dangpa, so we will end our lesson here because it is already our time. So for this one, I hope you will review this lesson for so that in our next class you will be able to answer the questions. Okay. Okay, so you did a great job today, Dangkwa, and see you again soon.
See you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye,
See
teacher.
you. Thank you
See you
so much.
again.
You
Thank
can
you so
now
much.
rest.